Member of Parliament for Manchester Central, Peter Bunting, is demanding that the country be told the status of investigations into allegations of corruption at the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. The call comes days after Michael Phillips labelled some of the developments surrounding CMU as a cesspool during Wednesday's sitting of Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC. TVJ's Prince Moore has the details.
The Caribbean Maritime University, the former Minister of Education, Royal Reid, and the Ministry of Education by extension have been the subject of intense investigations by the police following allegations of corruption. On Friday, the Caribbean Maritime University, in a release, indicated that Professor Fritz Pinnock will be taking a leave of absence for 6 weeks to ensure transparency and give the investigations time to finish. Investigations underway, still no charges and no update. Member of Parliament for Manchester Central, Peter Bunting, says it is unacceptable that the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA remains silent despite several calls for an update.
I established MOCA, the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, when I was Minister of National Security, precisely so that it could focus on these areas of public corruption. So this agency had been set up specifically to focus on this corrosive activity by politicians and public servants. We're demanding that we get some update on these investigations.
Mr. Bunting argues that the lack of action by entities charged to investigate corruption by public figures will lead to distrust in the capabilities of investigative bodies.
Month after month after month, this thing is just sliding. We're getting nothing specific. If it were not for the PAAC and questions in Parliament, we would know nothing. The government has a responsibility. The JCF has a responsibility. All the law enforcement agencies who are investigating this matter to make a statement, giving an update on these investigations. If it was anybody else, we would have heard about it long ago. Charges would have been preferred. But clearly, there is political influence at play here, why nothing has happened so far.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.